Today is Chinese National Day, and also it is 57th or 58th anniversary day of occupation of my country.
We spent all day here, and nobody knows where is the Turkestan, who is Uyghur people. Nobody knows about that because it is hidden history. You know, it's hidden history on the world.
Benim milletim Uyghur.
I am an Uyghur.
In Xinjiang today, Xinjiang occupies a large section of western China. It's about 6 times the size of California. To simply express one's identity as a Uyghur culturally brings a risk of imprisonment, of being targeted.
We thought that this is essential to bring Rabiya Qadr to United Kingdom. One is to show to the British people that there is a forgotten nation called the Uyghur, to plead for humanitarian help. Mrs. Rabiya Qadr, who has been sentenced by the Chinese authority for 8 years, simply by sending a publicly published newspaper to her husband to the United States, and the accusation was leaking state secret, and we understood that those accusations wasn't true, and now Mrs. Rabiya Qadr has been released by the international pressure, especially from the Amnesty International and around the world.
On that day, Chinese government gave us the colonial name is Xinjiang, and now from then on, Chinese
rabiya is an amazing woman, and she is everything that Amnesty stands for.
İki balamni turumda kesivetti.
Two of my children were sentenced to different time periods.
3 balamni nazaret astida koydu.
3 of my children were put house arrest.
Bütün dünya beni terörist dep to'ladi.
Chinese government called me terrorist.
Ballarımga işim ağırdı.
I am very sorry for my children.
Lekin halkım muhtaç.
But my people need me.
We want human rights, and we want to live like any other people around the world.
We need freedom. We need freedom for my people.
Uyghurs are now facing the very serious ethnic cleansing. I would like to address this problem here at the House of Lords.
Bunun Amerika, Avrupa parlamentleri hemiz köngül bölüp şundaq bolsun biz Angiliya hökuməti və Angliya xalqı anlatış üçün gəldik.
The US government and the European Union are closely concerned with this issue. Now I would like to address this issue to the House of Lords here.